This is funny. They all came out and they all picked their little hidey holes. I picked up some trash. I'm not throwing the paper plate away yet because it's still good for the cats. But yeah. And there goes the ball. The sound brought them out here, but they went right to the boxes. So it must be getting cold out here. Happy Sunday, people. Gotta go back to work tomorrow. I'd rather hang out with cats. Yeah, I'd rather hang out with cats in a garage. Probably smoking too many cigarettes. Don't worry, I got the vent on in there. Peace out, everybody.